and welcome back to Allymont Mechanical. And in today's wee video we're gonna have a wallet start. If you bear with me a few seconds, I'll show you what it is. Something kind of an impulse buy, but I was told that it would start, but the battery was flat. But I bought a Rogers battery, so we'll be right back with you. So what have I bought? I've bought a Mark 5 Golf GT Tdi. I'm gonna wait to fire some diesel on it because I got it bone dry of diesel. I can't believe this stuff's £1.38 a litre. I was told it runs. The radiator needs done on it. Needs sealed both sides. I've never heard it running yet, but I've been told it runs. Man told me, well, he told my recovery driver that he ran out of diesel. So you'll find out with me. I never really take the dregs to the can. Right. We'll check she's got oil in it. Excuse the mess of my old motor. There's some on it. On top of that, this morning, the keys for Roger. There's not a drop of water in it. Keys for Hamish, the Audi. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. There we go. I was going to tell me to stop because there's no drop of water in it. So it runs. Broken bonnet cable. You better not do that way. Opening the window if that works. Steering fault. Probably because the tire's flat. Right, we'll get a pump. We'll try blowing up that tyre. I hope the sound's working alright in this thing. Excuse the mess of Roger. Work in progress. Well, it started a lot quicker than I thought it would. This car's been sitting up since 2020. Putting knots in my bloody... Yeah, never mind. There's no point in putting any water in the radiator because it'll just come straight back out. But diesels are quite good in the respect that... Right, so that's Roger's battery there. It actually didn't sound that bad. The radiator's apparently goosed. That's a brand new battery, that's off Roger. As I say, I probably said that about 12 times now. The whole front's going to have to come out of this thing. I'll put the rod in it. So we see if we can get some air in it. There's a spare set of tires come with it, a radiator. There should be a... You said there was another set of alloys with it. There's two there. There's two at the back. There we go. Radiator. And what else has come with it? Condenser and an intercooler, I believe. I'm sure that's an intercooler. I like it look like. That tire looks alright. That one's pretty on the limits. That tire's in there. Well, it's taken here. So it seemed to start not too bad, so it's maybe not the plug I thought it was. But as I say, the front's going to have to come off it till I get to this radiator. It's had a new gearbox, a new clutch. It does have service history. It does have some service history. I'll put that battery on charge for this thing and see if it takes a charge. That's that big brute thing there. Whether it will or not, I don't know. I see Martin at Retro Restore with a top-down battery charger last night. Might be something I want to invest in myself, see if I can restore some of the old batteries. I mean, when they get to a certain term with me, I just chuck them away, yeah. I don't bother with them. I'm sorry, this will rattle the noise off that thing. We've got a rattle of noise over. The handbrake's fairly seized. Like I say, it was sitting since 2020. So it's electric power steering, that's working. So I think a lot of that faults will clear when I put it in the radiator. When I start the radiator on it, I think a lot of the faults will clear. Obviously there's no coolant in it at all. So as I say, no point in putting coolant into something I think it's just going to piss back out again. So if you'd like to follow me along on the journey of Allymont Mechanical, might I give us a wee like. You can hear it out there running there just now. It doesn't seem to be running too bad. There'll be a video of me doing the radiator. I'm sure I'll do it in stages. So you can follow along with that. Doesn't look too hard to do, like. Couple of wee screws there, so you can lift this badge and all that out. I've split it at the front. Take off that 3 screws there at the top. I'd imagine it will be screwed down here. The bumper will have to come off, screw up there. So, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Sorry, you can see what I'm recording on. It's GoPro I'm using at the moment, or knockoff GoPro. But I like to keep an eye on that temperature gauge. You have to excuse all the plastics and that. I have to sort that out. ESP. That probably doesn't work because I've just changed the battery. It surprised me and it did. The temperature gauge hasn't moved yet, so but okay, it's quite cold here. He broke the bonnet catch down there, you can see that, and he ripped the plastics up in it. Just an old car to him, the boy that had it. Just an old car. She's had welding before. Not sure exactly what was there, but it's not there now. Unless it's lying inside the car. We'll get some air in the tyres anyway. I'll have to probably put a computer on it once I've done the radiator and that on it and tidy it up a bit. Oh, this was covered in diesel sitting in the back of my motor. This is my wee scrap pile, scrap man down. The seals on this have gone, so I'm going to need another one of them. The boot lid looks a bit grotty. Well, it's all things to be worried about later on. Don't have to worry about it too much at the moment. Hot sills. Hot sills is the main concern. I'm on taking up 2 parking bays. What a clown. Neighbours love me here. I'm going to check that temperature. Stone cold. A bit of welding, like both sides. The same thing here. I don't know what would have been there. A bit of trim like that, probably. A bit of plastic. That's what's missing on the other side. Brakes are rusty. Yeah. Did a sticking caliper last year that's in the test. Some of the keen I use on this, I put the tire pressure up to 40 psi. That's just to stop it from going down while I'm working a bit. And check coolant sensor, because there ain't no coolant in it. Go to 31 there. Right folks, we'll leave it there just now. Remember, leave us a like,